My guys, it's Levi from Sunday, your hair guy, and today we're talking about Suavecito. Suavecito is a grooming product company that has developed into something much bigger than that. They're having fun while growing. They build cars, hit tattoo conventions, some music festivals, and they're even all obsessed with wrestling. The owners grew up on Gunther Street in Santa Ana in the rockabilly scene. Hair was a big deal, but buying the products overseas was really expensive. A few years later, with advice from a mentor, they decided to make their own pomade. They wanted to make it the way they like it, tweaking the formula to get it just right. They began out of their grandma's trailer, really just making it as a hobby. Then they had what they felt like was a bigger idea. They set out to start a hot dog and beard shop downtown. And so they used their hobby of selling pomade to fund the hot dog shop. They started selling Suavecito at local barber shops and car shows. Then in order to keep up, they were staying up late on their busted up laptop, writing emails and trying to fill pomade orders. From there, their phone just kept ringing. The name for the brand came when they were getting ready to go out one night, and one of their friends said to them, "Ooh, look at you, look at all Suavecito," and the name stuck right there. They still have no hot dog restaurant, but we can say that Suavecito has grown way past just pomade, becoming a major player in the hair and beard game. Their headquarters are in the city they grew up in, Santa Ana. They make the pomade right there, keeping it all close to home. If you look closely, Santa Ana is woven throughout the brand and the branding everywhere you look. They're proud of where they grew up. Today we're gonna cover the Strong Clay and the OG pomade in a style together. But first, I wanna give a shout out to their beard oil. We know them for their pomades, but their expanding beard line is high quality. There's a lot of choices on different scents. I don't even have a beard and I still rock the stuff to smell sexy. My favorite is the Ivory Bergamot. It's fresh. It's just fresh. It's fresh. The real reason we're here though is to look at how to style with their Strong Clay and the OG pomade together. The clay is a super versatile product. You can use a little on short hair and it's great for texture, or you can use a lot on thicker hair and you get good hold that's still malleable. One of my favorite things about hair in general is that if you understand hair growth and the direction it goes and hair products, you can create so many things and help people get their desired look that just feels right and fits their lifestyle. All right, so let's grab our clay. You're gonna start with a tiny dime-sized amount of the clay in towel dried hair. Rub it all over. One thing, barbers, always remind and coach your clients that if they add product just where they want it to be styled, you know, the top, and ignore the rest, it's gonna be left looking fluffy on the side. So in this case, apply the tiny amount of clay all over. Then messy blow dry the hair in the direction that you'd like to style. Then with about a nickel or a quarter-sized amount, depending on the thickness of hair, apply it all over the top, styling it as desired, whether it's textured or a pullover or whatever. Once it's in place, grab your OG pomade and take a dime-sized amount and just start from the outside in, gather any flyaways, maybe along the hairline, maybe any stubborn bits, and then pull them into place, running your hands gently over the style to apply a bit of sheen and hold. Now, be aware that it's very easy to overdo it with the clay. Start with a small amount and apply more if needed. And at the end, if you add too much of the OG pomade, don't worry, don't freak out. Stop, take a breath, pick up your wide tooth comb and comb it all the way through for even distribution. And then use your hands to put the style back in place. This combo of products will end up giving the hair a medium shine. So coach your clients to use it on a day that they're feeling fresh, not the bedhead days. Overall, you know Suavecito. It's a solid product at a good price. And because they care about you guys so much, they've lowered their prices in Canada too, which is so sick, it's easy on the wallet. Guys, if you're on other platforms, so are we. Follow us everywhere at Ultimate Barber Supply and at Levi Switzer. And always remember to support your local barber. With that, let's check out South Trail Crossing Barbershop in Calgary, Alberta. SDC started in September 2013 with 5 chairs, and over the past decade has grown to 18 chairs, making it Canada's largest barbershop. They have over 20 barbers and 5 receptionists. The vibe is chill, relaxed, and it's kid-friendly. Their focus is for good cuts for everyone, but they love families and kids, as they are their current business and their future business. Their team is like a family. You know, multiple times a week, the owner, Maher, makes everyone lunch. He believes if he takes care of his family, they'll take care of his business. I may be biased because I worked here previously, but I can confidently say that Maher is the best boss I've ever had. And the shop is especially generous with their clients. They have bottomless free candy, arcade games, Xbox, TVs at every station, and a free hot towel neck shave with every service. And they do a huge raffle every month for any client that has come by for a haircut that month. Here's what the owner, Maher, said about Suavecito. "I was one of the first shops in Calgary to carry Suavecito. It's an amazing product line and has great scents, which our clients absolutely love. It sells like hotcakes. You can find them at SDC Barbershop. You guys heard it here, you have to try Suavecito and you have to visit South Trail Crossing Barbershop in Calgary, Alberta. We're gonna be covering more style tips with Suavecito in the future, so stay tuned. I'm Levi with Ultimate Barber Supply, and don't forget to support your local barber. And for the barbers and stylists watching, go get your Suavecito at ultimatebarbersupply.com. Love you guys.